guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm gonna do another product battle. Yay! You guys really enjoyed the last product battle that I did. I got so many comments, so I'm really glad you liked it. So in today's video, the reason why my hair looks crazy is because I'm going to test out two different curl reviving sprays that I have. One is a high-end one and one is a low-end, more affordable one. So today I'm going to be battling Ouidad's Advanced Climate Control Restore and Revive Bi-Phase Spray versus Cantu's Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. So I am on day 4 hair today, and honestly my hair doesn't look that bad. I just have like halo frizz on the top here. So I'm still going to, you know, split it down the middle. That's why my bangs look horrible, because usually they're flipped to one side, so when I put them in the middle they're like, what is happening? But anyways, so I'm going to use one spray on one side, one spray on the other side, kind of let it dry, or you know, use my diffuser to dry it, and then see which side looks best. So I usually don't have to refresh my hair until like day 3 or 4. I refreshed my hair a little bit yesterday with a cream, so I didn't use any of these products that I'm using today. Usually on this day, on day 4 or 5, if my hair gets to that point, then I would use a spray like one of these to help out with the frizz. If there's any curl definition that I'm lacking, usually a spray would help. So my experience with these two sprays have been pretty good. As you can see, I'm almost finished with my Ouidad spray. I love this stuff so much. And then this spray I had for a long time, like a really long time. There's still a good amount left, but I think it's because I ended up finding like just more products and other things to try out, so I didn't really use this as much. But I wanted to give you guys options, and I wanted to do different price levels, because last time a lot of people said that they wanted to see more drugstore products, so I'm going to be working on that more. But I thought it would be cool to do a high-end versus a low-end product, so we'll see what happens. So on this side of my hair, I'm going to be using the Ouidad spray, and on this side of my hair, I'm going to be using the Cantu spray. So I'll start with Cantu, and I'll read the directions. It says to spray on dry or damp hair section by section to restore, refresh, and revive curls, coils, and waves. Reapply to dry hair as needed for additional moisture. So I like the fact that you can apply this spray to dry hair, because sometimes I don't always want to wet it if I don't have to. So with this spray, I do remember that it sprays in like a straight shot, so it's not a mist. So you wouldn't spray this directly to your hair. What I usually do is spray it in my hand and then rub it into my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. Again, you can see I have a lot of frizz in the back. Underneath, I have some less defined curls. So I'm gonna try to spray all of that. So it says to do section by section. So I'm gonna clip up this half so you can see it sprays really straight. It has a really good smell. It smells like coconut oil, but kind of like fruity as well. It smells really good. So I'm gonna add it onto my bangs. So I just did a poll on my Instagram stories asking you guys which product you think is gonna win, and everybody is saying the Ouidad spray. I think that's interesting. It's also because the Ouidad spray is brand new and very popular. Like, all the influencers are using it. But it's not just that, it's because it works really, really well. So Cantu is the underdog right now, so we'll see. Like I said, it's been a while since I tried this stuff, but I do remember using it in the past and I really did like it. And of course, it's a lot cheaper than the Ouidad spray, so we'll see. So I'm pretty much just applying it on my curls and trying to flatten down the frizz a little bit, lay it down, and then scrunch. Okay, so I'm all done with the Cantu side. My curls look pretty hydrated, so just gonna let that dry. and move on to the Ouidad side. So as you guys know, I've been using this a lot lately. It's one of my favorite refresher sprays. I love this stuff. So I'll read the directions for this one. It says to use, shake well, mist all over dry hair, and scrunch to redefine the curl pattern and smooth frizz. So I'm gonna shake this. This one does not spray straight. This is definitely a mist. So this doesn't say to section the hair, it says to mist all over the hair. So I'm going to do that. The mist is very light. It's a really, really light mist. So it takes a good amount of sprays to get your hair saturated. Okay, and now I'm done with the Ouidad side. I pretty much sprayed every part of this section. I made sure to get the underside as well and tried to lay down that frizz. So now I'm going to quickly diffuse each side so that I can see what they look like once it's all dry. Okay, so let's talk about this. So this is the Cantu side. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty darn good. The bottom seems a little bit different, or just looks a little bit different than the top. The bottom is a tad bit more thinner. I don't know how to explain it. It's not hard, but it's like less fluffed out. I don't know. But everything looks really good. It feels good, feels soft. And now on the Ouidad side, it looks good. To me, the curls look a little bit more shiny, like on this side. I don't know if it's just me. Do you guys see that? Like this side looks good still, but it doesn't look as hydrated. But I think it looks good on both sides, honestly. It defined my curls. I don't know, what do you guys think? You have to let me know. I will say that it does seem like this side, on the Ouidad side, like redefined more curls than this side. Yeah, it definitely seems like that now that I'm looking at it. It did restore the curls up here really well. Down here, not as much. Yeah, you can even kind of see that it's more full right here. So on this side, it definitely restored the curls more. They look more full. I'm not mad at the Cantu side though. I'm really not. It's not as full maybe, but it still looks good, and it still added moisture and definition to my hair. Just a little bit less than the Ouidad side. I think I do like this side a little bit better, but this side is good too, and I would definitely use both. I'm still, of course, gonna use both products whenever I want to refresh my hair. So it just depends on the look you want to go for that day. If you want to guarantee your curls are going to be a lot more defined, then you can go with the Ouidad spray. And if your curls are already naturally really tight and you don't need something with an extra hold, then I think you can be okay with the Cantu spray. Obviously my curls are loose, so I do need more hold when I'm using like any type of restoring spray. I like to know that my curls are going to recurl with the help of whatever spray I'm using. So yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised at the fact that it's not like a blowout. I wouldn't say Ouidad blew it out of the water per se. I think the Cantu side looks really good. But again, this side just looks like it rejuvenated more curls. So the curls look a lot more defined, like in the whole section, the whole area. Whereas this side defined these curls really well, but the ones down here aren't as curly. They still look good though. Like everything looks really good on both sides. It did really well with Frizz. Yeah, I like the results on both sides, honestly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick and easy results. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, put your vote down below because I need to know, who do you think won? Was it the Ouidad side or was it the Cantu side? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to share and tell a friend about this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.